Dear friends, the Kochi Municipal Corporation has always decided that sustainability is going to be the key uh, motto of whatever development initiatives we are going to take forward. The Center for Heritage and Development is one of the key agencies that is working closely with the Kochi Municipal Corporation in urban design, uh, urban development, and research. And together with the CHED, we have been collaborating with various agencies, international agencies, and national universities in the area of urban development. And now WRI has been cooperating with and coordinating with the Kochi Municipal Corporation for the last 7 years in developing many initiatives inside the Kochi city. And I will happily tell you that the WRI initiatives is actually a part of the Kochi Municipal Corporation's own initiatives. The HEAL, that is Health, Environment, Agriculture, Livelihood. We feel that HEAL Kochi is going to be part and parcel of whatever initiatives we are going to introduce inside the city. Because we believe that Kochi is a place which is prone to climate disasters. The reason is that whatever global warming takes place, it is going to have a big disastrous effect on the Cochin city and on the people living here. So climate resilience is something that we are very serious about. The rising water in the backwaters, the reason has been deep afforestation. And as a result of this, we always believe that climate change is something which we have to seriously address. That is why the initiatives of WRI with the Kochi Municipal Corporation is always something that we feel very close to our heart. The afforestation drive that we are planning in Vadadala area of Kochi Municipal Corporation together with the WRI is one of the major such initiatives. We have the Fort Kochi beach. Fort Kochi is a place which is one of the most important tourist destinations which have been decided as one of the most visited tourist destinations inside the world. We believe that you have the synagogue there, you have many heritage sites inside Fort Kochi, and we have the Fort Kochi beach also. So we believe that when you have to clean up Fort Kochi, we have to do it in a very scientific manner. That is why with WRI we thought of placing a boom barrier on the Fort Kochi beach. This is again one of the initiatives we have started with WRI. Again, regarding West Kochi, WRI has been working very closely with the Kochi Municipal Corporation to see that there are proper signage boards on the West Kochi part of the city. That is why after detailed discussion with all the stakeholders, we have developed tools to see that there are proper signage boards inside West Kochi. Already a preliminary discussion has taken place with all the stakeholders, and we have started. We have decided that we have selected the signage boards that is to be placed there, and we feel that since it is a big tourist destination, regarding the last mile connectivity also, we feel that a place where the water metro, the Ro-Ro vessels, the bus service, the e-auto, everything comes together in Fort Kochi. So this was one of the major areas where we decided that the WRI initiative for placing scientific signage boards should be there in West Kochi. That is again one of our major initiatives. So another important initiative that WRI has been the green buildings concept, which even the municipal corporation office which is going to come up, we have decided that it should be a green building as such. So I believe that even the child friendly city, which the WRI is also interested, is again one of their initiatives. We are trying to see that the roads inside the city are also toddler friendly. It is more child friendly. The parks are child friendly. So that is again one of the initiatives as part of the WRI Kochi Municipal Corporation type. And I believe that the Connect Karo Kochi 2021, in which we are all in, I believe that it is a very important platform where we can discuss all these initiatives which we have started. We can also interact with people from different parts of the world, public representatives and civic administrators from different parts of the world, and even consultants from different parts of the world. we take this opportunity as a place where we can sit and discuss. We can discuss about innovations that is taking place all over the world, and I believe that it is going to be very fruitful. And with all your permission, with great pride and gratitude of having working with WRI, being very happy with the initiatives with which the WRI has been coming forward inside the city. I'm very happy to inaugurate the 2021 version of the Kochi Connect Karo 2021. I inaugurate this program happily. Thank you.